Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla uba asnya bahlang dahar ubadiru Menteri Ketena Transport. Ulong ba ulapai Chief Secretary bagi officer Ketena Transport ban Jingmut na Kiwei pat ke Jylla banegran halur kumnu ki Pyntreikam ya ke Polisi na kemuda ki Nongñiah kali turis kum ke Maharashtra, Karnataka, Sikkim. Ya kani ulakran hagilat bathai kubor hadian belawai ke Jylla bat ke kenhuan ki Nongñiah kali turis ka AKMTTA. Uba asnya bhalang ulong begini ke Jylla kalong ke beseso bat ke badan jingkermen hak ban kaliang ke sorkar bat ke AKMTTA kila ai laki jong ki Jingmut. Ulong ba yakani ansala ban penbet hadian ke tukani benai bat menta gidang pendong ke jingpet banyak. Ulong ru bakamdan kenu ke jing ekipat ba ke Jylla ban let Syagwati bat nakaliang ke sorkar ru kelada penbet yakani bat keladap yakran bat ke association ke Assam.
Once you find the hot destination, you are the fast profit amount. Karena tu direction direction ngamkan ini dia. Dang setelah mata dang kau bak kemekalian dang lum mata in term of tourism destination. Dan long main agresif pada lo. Long main saja pada lo. Tuntas kan? Dia. Tuntas. Banyak dia. Menunggu kuat betul. Mentah usah minimum hotel mentah perakan naik di Jawa. Is on the pipeline. After 4 years, tang tu jumlah apa? Kedai. Jumlah kalau airport umur ada peran menurun benefit ini. Apa lah? Tang jadi bilang ayat tu sampai mana itu? Orang tourism minister lagi ni lapar tambah. It will take time, not so easy. Hanya satu sebuah bonsin di ada gikan kecil kermen yang ingin melak melak disusi yang isa.
And finally, this we have to.
Tang yung melak ada kebingiti belang mana ni saudara. Biar suatu minister ini jadi siapa? Dengar yang MBK Steam pula di kepala begitu ke kampung ini gerang pak. Mana boleh no? Ada 10 dia, timing. So today we had a meeting with the AMTA association. So it was long discussions and finally we have come to conclusion that we need some time to come with a concrete decision. So both of us we are together in the same page. So yes, it is an important issue. So we need some time to check it properly, so all the process in order to avoid any delays. That is the decision.
How long will it take to?
No, the question how long we will try as early as possible. Simple as that. Always.
What are the suggestions?
No, the suggestion from the association was a good suggestion. They told us, please try to look from the other state policy. It seems some policy which is fit for us, so we are assured to them also. We will discuss few of the neighboring states and we will compare the policy. We will come to the right decision altogether.
Will you be visiting the states or?
No, not visiting. I have instructed my officer of Community Transport to connect with different states who are almost in line with us and Chief Secretary at the same time.
Which are the states?
Like, for example, like Sikkim, like Karnataka, like Maharashtra. Few states.
So there won't be any agitation proposed. They are sure.
No, actually it should not be there because discussion is on. So we are together everything. We come well. It was a very, very fruitful meeting also, a very positive meeting. The question or addition, it should not be there. So hopefully it will be a positive response in the days to come. That is we believe.
So there is a status quo now.
As of now, it remains status quo as it is.
But there is no solution.
Solution is yet to be.
Since when will be?
Not since when, at the earliest possible. Maybe take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It based on discussion. Because I always want to put them on board, all of them. So maybe only my decision is not feasible to them. So we'll connect together with the association and the government. Hopefully we will come with them.
What it means you will be to take suggestion with your counterpart.
Now we have to suggest. You see, I need their suggestion. Sometimes their suggestion and our suggestion, when we combine with them, we click. That is always.
So how will you ensure that there are no problems when the commuters go to Guwahati?
Not, pardon?
How will you ensure that there are no problems created
No, there is no problem
in
created.
the states?
No, there is no problem. We are trying to solve the problem. are trying to solve the problem.
So you also have to appeal to the organization Assam that there should not be any problem.
Yeah, that of course we are keeping appealing from both sides. In the meantime, while discussion is done, don't disturb all the movement. So it went in the right direction.
It means that the driver taxi tourists they take the suggestion from the government.
Yeah, we have to. You see, we have to suggest both. Sometimes you have to listen to their opinion. Sometimes you have to listen to the opinion of the government. That is how we work. We are here for the people of the state. Please remember, we are here for the people of the state. So obviously, sharing ideas is very important to both sides.
So what are with Assam government also?
That was already there.
Sir, what are the exact demand that the association has demanded from the
No
government?
exact demand, you know very well. They try to please make sure, if possible, by government would come a policy that few pocket of the tourism spot will be benefit for the local people. So that is we are still in the discussion.
No, because they asked about implement the policy.
Policy is already implemented.
Yeah.
We are yet to modify the policy, maybe in that manner.
Can tell some policy that
No, we are yet to have a look. We have yet to have a redo on the policy, on the old policy. That is the request from them also.
Another topic we can talk about. Recently, there is some allegation about nepotism. Your brother-in-law is brought and
Oh, this is family affair, right? I think in front of you.
not a family.
No comments on that.
Sir, I have a query. Sir, I have a query.
All of us wanted to solve the problem, but it will take some time.
But the meeting.
It was a good meeting. It went in a positive direction, I should say.
How many months will take to solve this problem?
Not how many months, how many years. I'll try my best as that is possible.
We are taking we can take another question about after relocation. How long it will take?
Yeah, it's under the process of relocation with the other spaces. It's under process.
It will be some time.
Not time, but that is under process. It's under process. Hopefully it will happen.
Limokra area pending.
No, like Mukra is pending and the GSO is pending. Some other place also, like similar hospital also.